Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to import from AliExpress to Shopify. So to do that, first of all, you need to connect those two platforms. And to connect those two platforms, you need to install special application for that. And the most popular one is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers so that those two accounts can talk to each other. Then go to your AliExpress account and browse for a product that you would like to sell. With Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live, so you can change the title, change pricing, add a description, or even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store and it instantly appears as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's shipping address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.